Try this omelet next time. Let's start by cutting one onion in half. Then cut into strips. We're gonna need 2 potatoes. Cut them in half, then put them together and start cutting into very thin slices. Now, in a pan, drizzle some olive oil, and when warm, put the onion and sweat it. This recipe is very nutritious and healthy. Plus, it only needs 3 ingredients. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Add the potatoes. Mix the ingredients, then cover the pan with the lid and leave it to cook for 15 minutes to soften. Then put the potatoes aside. In a bowl, add 6 eggs, black pepper, salt, and whisk. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can send you a hug and personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. Put the potatoes in the bowl with the beaten eggs and mix again. And if you're watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and comment below, I love omelets. In a pan, drizzle some oil and spread. And then add the eggs and potatoes mix. Cover with a lid and leave it to cook on minimum heat for 10 minutes. Then, flip it and leave it to cook for 10 more minutes. And our recipe is done. Look how lovely it is. I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.